Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can solve the problem of screen blinking that occurs when your display driver is not installed properly or not updated properly. Okay, when your display driver is not installed or updated properly, then a problem occurs that your screen starts blinking and your system becomes inactive and you can't access anything from your system. You can't even open settings or other such options. I also suffered from the same problem and could not access my system. To solve this problem, you just need to do a simple thing. First, you need to come to your lock screen because at lock screen, I noticed that my screen was not blinking. To come to lock screen, I simply press the F9 key from my keyboard because in my laptop, F9 key is assigned to lock the system. It may vary with devices. In your laptop, it might be assigned to some other key. So you can see and press that key and come to the lock screen. On coming to the lock screen, now what you have to do is that at the right bottom of the lock screen, you will see the power option. Okay, you have to simply hold the shift key from your keyboard and at the same time you have to click on the restart option. Okay, you have to hold the shift key and at the same time you have to press the restart button and you will see that your system will restart now with advanced settings. Now what you have to do? Now you have to choose the troubleshoot option. On clicking on troubleshoot option, the troubleshoot page will open. On troubleshoot page, you have to click on advanced options and then you have to click on startup settings. As you click on startup settings, the startup setting window will open. Now what you have to do, you can see that on the right middle there is a restart button. You have to simply click on that restart button and your PC will restart with startup settings. Now when your PC restarts, you can see variety of options. Now you have to simply choose option number 4, that is enable safe mode. And if you want to access internet in the safe mode, then you have to click on option number 5, that is enable safe mode with networking. To choose the option, you simply need to press number key 4 from your keyboard. As you press the number key 4, you will see that your system will now restart and it will restart in the safe mode. Now what I need to do is, now I will search for device manager and in device manager I will uninstall my display adapter. On successfully uninstalling the display driver, now I will exit from the safe mode. To exit from safe mode, you simply need to restart your PC. On restarting, if your PC does not restart in normal mode and take you back to the safe mode again, then what you need to do, you need to press Windows key plus R and in the search box you need to type msconfig and press OK. As you press OK, the system configuration page will open and there from there you have to go to the boot option and in boot option you have to uncheck the safe boot. If it is checked, you have to uncheck it. If it is not checked, then click OK and then restart your PC and you will be back to your normal mode. Now you can see that I have successfully came back to my normal mode and now my screen is also not blinking. The problem of screen blinking has now gone. So with this simple step you can solve the problem of screen blinking. So hope you like the video and thank you for watching the video.